You guys did a great job with the how many more problems when you have the picture. Now let's make it a little harder. This time I have 3 chocolate chip cookies and 5 vanilla cookies. I want to know how many more vanilla cookies I have. So how many extra than chocolate? I already know that I can match up what's the same and find the difference this way. But let's make an equation to show. So if there's 5 vanillas and 3 chocolates, I can subtract what's the same to find the difference. And that's how we're going to do it today, subtracting to find the difference. So I've got my 5 here. That's the bigger one, so I'm going to start with that one. And I'm going to take away what's the same. I'm going to take away 3, and then I get my difference. And I know that that's correct because of the picture. So now let's do it with length. So I've already measured my necklace, and my necklace was 37 centimeters long. I want to compare my necklace with my bracelet because I want to figure out exactly how much longer my necklace is. So when I measured my bracelet, I measured end to end, and I found that at the end here, it's 19 centimeters. So for my bracelet, it's 19 centimeters. Since I already know how to do my equations, I can easily do an equation instead of drawing out 37 circles and 19 circles for my bracelet, right? So let's pretend that this is my 37 centimeter necklace and this is my 19 centimeter bracelet. So the first thing I'm going to think of is try to think of it in my brain. I know that 37 is longer than 19. If I match these up perfectly right here, then if this is 19, this also has to be 19 because it's the same length.